has been very kind. I saw the car. Anything could have happened.
I think all the airbags is open.
ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬೀಳುತ್ತಾ
ಇವ್ರು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕೂತಿದ್ರು.
I saw all air, even backside airbags open. I mean, if you look at the car, you will probably feel that nobody would have survived this.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೈಟ್ ಅಂತ
It's all your blessings. God was very kind. So, can she move around? No problem.
She got the L1 and L4 competition fracture. She has to be the
Does she? I asked whether you've only done an MRI, but have we done a CT scan or not? They said tomorrow.
She have to move her to the CT scan.
But is the fracture visible in?
Yes, sir. Visible in MRI.
Visible in. Then she will have to.
ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಜುವಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಐತಿ. MRI ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಐತಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ MRI ಒಳಗೆ ನರ್ವ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಟಿಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಚರ್.
Is there some kind of nerve compression?
No,
so you can see.
No,
That's
sir.
very good.
Yes, sir. I'm displeased.
That's very good. Is there any narrowing of gap because of the fracture? Nothing. That's good. You will be fine. No problem.